How to download 8 ball pool game on your PC. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to download 8 ball pool game on your PC, here's what you need to do. So just head over to any web browser and simply search in for 8 ball pool PC game download, just like this. So what you might notice is you can just tap on this first link over here, which is the online game or online version of 8 ball pool game. So this is the game which is only available on App Store and Play Store. So to get to it, you can actually download the emulator, but if you don't want to download any sort of Android emulator, there is another way, that is the alternative way. So you can basically open the Microsoft Store available on Windows, and you can basically search in for the same game by simply heading over to the search bar and just searching for 8 ball pool game, and you will see a lot of different versions of different games which are similar to 8 ball pool. So even though this might not be the original game, you can still play it instead of downloading an emulator to download the original game. So once you click on any of these game like 8 ball pool, you can simply click on get to download and install it on your device. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.